Okay, next one up, little Honda CB125R. This is a new client. He ran into Junior the other day over at Daytona Motorcycles, so thought he would treat it to a bit of Trott love. He has had this from nearly new, but never had it professionally cleaned. So we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty Valets. Going to paint that exhaust collector box, get all these wheels cleaned up, and get a nice dose of corrosion protection on it. Nice to see a fairly well lubed chain. I said we'll get all these wheels cleaned up. I'm going to paint all that collector box down there, polish up these footrest hangers, get a nice coating of corrosion protection on it, as it's got a bit of rust setting in here and there already. Want to keep it properly protected for the years ahead. Lovely little running little bikes these. They will run forever, but want to make sure you keep any rust at bay. So let's get it all cleaned up. I don't know what this sticky stuff on there is. We'll see if we can remove that as well. Get it looking like new again and get it properly protected for the years ahead. Let's get cracking. And there you go, little Honda CB125 has been fully trotted and looking as new. It's had one of our legendary full Monty Valets, a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection. I polished up all your footrest hangers, even mirror polished up your levers. Front of the exhaust has been lightly sanded, painted. I said everything's been coated with XCP, all your banjo bolts, any little nuts and bolts that I think need that little extra protection. Chain's been serviced, side stands been painted. I managed to get that sticky stuff off the bottom of that screen and I polished it with my little machine. Yes, as good as new. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.